जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 6th chapter आत्मसंयम योगमु 9th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, you have to have samabuddhi, that means evenness in your mind. You have to have equal vision towards all varieties of people in this world. There are people who has good hearted. There are some who are friends to you. There are some who are enemies to you. There are some who are reluctant towards you. There are some who are neutral to you. There are some who are hateful ever since they are born. There are some relatives to you. There are some righteous, unrighteous people. So you have to have equal vision. You have to be impartial towards all these varieties of people in this world. If you can cultivate that kind of evenness in your mind, impartiality in your mind, that is the best qualification for you to attain Atma Darshanam, Atma Sakshatkaram. Like this, Krishna Paramatma suggesting us to inculcate basic qualification for all of us to attain Atma Darshanam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Suhrun Mitra Arivudasina Madhyastha द्वेष्य बन्धुषु साधुष्वपि च पापेषु समबुद्धिः विशिष्यते। ओम। As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings Srimad Bhagavad Gita every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my message Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your message Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching to Parikshin Narendra about the process of Srishti. In that process, Sri Sukha Yogindra saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, when Chaturmukha Brahma wanted to understand the coldness, heatness, softness, hardness of the things, then Chaturmukha Brahma gets the sense organ of skin, which is known as Tvak Indriyam. He also gets the skin. The moment he gets that, all the bodies in this entire Srishti also gets that organ of skin. For that Tvakindriyam, the Abhimana Devata is Vayu, and this Indriya's activity is to understand the touch. O Parikshin Narendra, now Chaturmukha Brahma wanted to do some transaction, give and receive, give and receive. The moment Chaturmukha Brahma wants to do this kind of activity, hastau ruruhatuhu, then he gets the hands. When he gets that hands, all the bodies in this Srishti also gets the hands. The Indriya of the hands is known as Pani. Pani's Abhimana Devata, Adhisthana Devata is Indra. Then, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma wants to go here and there. Gatim Jigishataha. He wants to go here and there. The moment he gets that kind of desire, Padau Ruruhate, then the feet comes. The moment he gets the feet, in the Srishti all the bodies also gets the feet. The feet's capability is known as its Indriya. The walking capacity, that is known as Indriya. And its Adhisthana Devata is Vishnu. Its activity is Padbhyam Yajnaha Swayam Havyam Karmabhik Kriyate Nrubhihi. The feet's main activity is to go here and there and get all kind of required things to perform yajnas. That is the main activity of feet. Now, Chaturmukha Brahma wants to get children. The moment he gets that kind of desire, he gets Jananendriya. And Jananendriya's Adhisthana Devata is Prajapati. Then Chaturmukha Brahma gets the opening for evacuating the bowel. For that, Indriya is Payu. For that, Adhisthana Devata is Mitra. Then Chaturmukha Brahma wants to go from one body to other body. Then navel comes into the body. Apanam is an air stays there at the nabhi, and for that Devata is Mrityu. Because of this navel, soul travels from one body to other body. Soul leaves one body and gets into other body. Then Chaturmukha Brahma wants to take rice, water, all those things into his body. When he gets that desire, in the stomach, all the intestines, everything is created. Immediately, everything is created in all the bodies of the souls in this Srishti also. Like this, Sri Sukha Yogendra explaining the process of Srishti to Parikshit Narendra. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Tattvam prasida bhagavan kurumaya nadhe Vishno krupam paramakarunikah kilatvam samsara sagara nimagnamanantadinam uddhartumarhasi hare purushottamosi. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu krishnam namasyamyaham krishnena marasetravo vinihataha krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samutthvitam jagadidam krishnasya dasosmyaham krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam he krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 9th sloka. Suhrun mitra arivudasina madhyastha dveshya bandhushu sadhushvapicha papeshu samabuddhihi visishyate. Suhrunmitraryudasina madhyastha dveshya bandhushu sadhushvapicha papeshu samabuddhir visishyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.